I'm going to kill you all. I'm going to kill you at the heaven. Ha ha ha. Wait, where did it go? Wait, where's Apple? Oh no, I think it's lost. Wait. I'm sorry, I just delete the apple because I did nothing with it. Let's try again. Alright, here it is. So, alright, let it rock again. Alright, the apple is walking. Wait. Oh my god, this is a dead end. Oh my god. I'm gonna kill you all. Ha ha ha. I'm scared. Ah! Who's behind me? Oh no. Ah! Ah! Oh my god, I don't want to see Pumpkin because it got killed. Ah! Hurry up! Oh my god, I'm going to heaven! That's my godsend! And there they go, heaven. Oh no, it's the dead end! I need to do something before. Alright, here's my friend, but two are alive! Wow! Thanks for reviving us! Hey! Get out of here! I wanna stay all day! You'll never escape me. You'll never escape us. What should we do off this door? I don't know. What I got? Ah! Oh my god, we got the wrong way. Let's go to the right one. Oh my god, I pressed the beep. Alright, so that's the thing. Alright, use the chainsaw again because it's killing pumpkin. I gotta kill pumpkin first. Meow. Ah! Ah! Ha ha ha! Oh my god! Guys, did you just see that something's wrong with his body? Must have been something wrong. We're going at the fly. Aha! So you will run for me? Ouch! My feet! Ah! Oh my god! Our rocket ship! We will be losty! Oops. Oh my god. How dare you! Ouch! Guys, did you just see that? Oh my god, not the ad again. Just wait for the ad. Oh yeah, so it's because it hurts. Let me try again later, guys. Bro, I need it. Okay, so I fixed this by the either because I wanted already. Wait, why is it another one again? Oh yeah. No! Oh yeah, that was too close. Guys, you know. Bye guys. I just wanna meet up by the sentences. Alright, so okay, so you would show me with the right character. Subscribe for me videos. Like for me news. I will eat you, baby melon again. Shut up! I'm trying to stop the subscribers. Sorry, I won't do it again. Actually, it's time for now.